Today on Wrenching on the YJ, we're going to tackle these windshield wipers and find out why they're not working. Let's get to it.
Whiskey!
This here's
Wheels and wrenching. Whiskey! Wheels and wrenching. And this here's Jim Bob. Right now you're watching Whiskey, Wheels, and Wrenching.
Now up under the dash here, we have this here. That there is the windshield wiper intermittent relay box thingy. We're going to take the plug off that and spray that with the contact cleaner here. Some WD-40 contact cleaner. That is a common culprit. So hopefully cleaning the contacts will make it work. Alright, with that cleaned, now if I can turn the wheel. Alright, let's turn the switch, see what happens. Nothing. Well, now it's time to get down into there, check out the motor or the wires. But first we got to take this top off. We got to take out these 6 screws. There's 3 here, 3 on the other side. And that's about it. And the windshield folds down and we'll see what we got. Idea to take a pillow such as this, put it on the hood, that way when you lay the glass down you're not scratching anything. I went a little overboard taking the top off, but it's the first time I took the top off, so I figured I might want to inspect everything, make sure everything looks good. Fortunately for me, the top on this thing is pretty much brand new, so everything's really in good shape. Got the window laid down. Let's show you that motor. Right there's the windshield motor, windshield wiper motor. This cord goes down here, goes down into the dash, and you have to be a contortionist to get your hand up underneath the dash to the plug. But we're going to test the wires here and make sure this thing works. Might have to unplug this motor. See the wires right there. And well, I think I found out why it doesn't work. Because it's not plugged in. Well, that's a good place to start. Let's put some power to it and see if this motor works. Okay, this right here, see, that right there is the windshield wiper plug. This right here, beside it, is the windshield wiper plug that goes up to the motor. So you got to plug both of these in together. Took the module thing here and undid one side of it. So I'm going to take this thing right here out of the way. So hopefully it gives me a little more room to plug those in. It's not the easiest. Well, here's the good news. We plugged it in. They worked. Bad news is the windshield wiper arms were on upside down. So as you can see, now they're down too far. We're going to take those off, reset the windshield wiper, put the arms back on. That way they're going the way they're supposed to be. Sometimes you get lucky. Sometimes you got to figure out what the right tool is for the job. And in an incident like this, it's not an automotive tool. It's a carpentry tool. Remember what I said about not using the right tool? Well, you should probably use the right tool. Because then you do some dumb shit like this. You break your damn windshield. I'm going to go and calm down a little bit, and then I'll get back to it. Alright, so I've calmed down a little bit, and here's what I got. I still have a broken windshield, which does not make me happy. But, hell with it, I'm going to drive it anyways until I get pulled over or whatever the cause may be. But the wipers do not want to reset back to their normal position. And I can't really figure out why. The motors seem strong. When I turn the lever on the column, they work. They just don't go back where they're supposed to be. And the intermittent doesn't seem to be working either. It seems kind of just doing whatever it wants to do. So I'm going to drive it the way it is, but I'm going to order a new intermittent box and get that put in there, because I think that's what the problem is. It's never easy. Time to put it back together and get it on the road. All right.